man. We out here once again, man. We just covering the hot topics, trying to give y'all this understanding, make it rise to the top, the cream, the understanding, man. Trying to give you the understanding, man. I just want to hop on there real quick because I've been getting a lot of questions and things about it, with the legal background with the P Diddy and Brian Steele. Brian Steele, Young Thug's attorney. Brian Steele, is he? He's out of Atlanta, right? Okay, so if y'all don't know, Diddy has been facing new charges lately. He has a new superseding indictment. There's new victims. There's new charges. And this is kind of is. Of course, they expected it. They expected Diddy to face many charges, a lot of charges. These charges are horrendous. They're heinous. They gear into what it is to exploit victims. The case itself, the trafficking, the drugs, the sex. Diddy is out of control, and he's in real big trouble with this case. First of all, the superseding indictment with the new victims, the new evidence, is happening a bit late. I believe they said Diddy was scheduled to go to trial in May, which is next month. So just to put new charges on him at this late in the game, it seemed kind of suspect. If I was his lawyer, I'd get in there and try to look for some type of delay tactic and strategy to try to get the indictment dismissed because it's kind of late in the game. These are not new facts. It's not new things that are known. They knew this stuff all along. So they could have charged Diddy all along. This is a strategic measure on the prosecutor's side to try to take a tactical advantage above Diddy. So he's in trouble with these new charges coming at this late in the game. Okay, secondly, and all due respect to Young Thug, Atlanta artists, and the whole YSL or XYSL or whatever kind of L's they are, because they took some L's, big L's. But, I just want to, first and foremost, okay, Brian Steele, Young Thug's attorney, trying to get on Diddy's case, that's a bit absurd. Young Thug's attorney, Brian Steele, trying to get on the Diddy case, that's a bit absurd. It's a bit absurd. Okay, first of all, no, all due respect, hats off to Brian Steele. Brian Steele needs to know, okay, he took a fucking loss in Young Thug's case. He took a loss. Everybody praising Brian Steele. Brian Steele got Young Thug basically a life sentence in prison. He's been sentenced to a life sentence. Okay, a life sentence is two things, right? You can get a life sentence if you get straight up life in the court, right? Like LIFE, or number two, you can get a number like this. What's that little shorty out there? What's the name? TK, 80 years. Okay, you can get a number that's equivalent to life, right? Or you can get a probationary sentence or a extracurricular sentence, okay, what they call that amounts to a life sentence. Young Thug basically is sentenced to life because he got 15 or more years on probation. He has a special condition probation. We call it special sauce. They put that sauce on him. He will never, ever finish this probation without getting violated on it several times. Okay, so that's the equivalent of a life sentence. It's a probationary sentence that's so hard, so long. Oh my God, did I fucking say that? Pause, 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 right? But it's such a length of a sentence that it's not likely that you'll finish it. Especially, he's been getting in trouble already. He can't keep his nose and mouth out of situations that really don't have nothing to do with him. So you could see that he's antsy. He wants to get out there so bad, right? That he's gonna make a lot of mistakes, a lot of errors. He's gonna pay a lot of lawyer fees. Okay, Young Thug, I'm talking about. King Slime. You guys know who the fuck I'm talking about. King Slime. Right. He's gonna pay a lot of lawyer fees, and he will never finish that probation successfully. So Brian Steele effectively got his client Young Thug a life sentence, okay, in prison. He will definitely return to prison on that probation sentence, right? Okay, so all the rave and the raging about Brian Steele, how great he is, how this it doesn't amount to nothing because he got his client a life sentence. And if you look at the trial, you can see the other guys, Yak, right? Yak Gotti, and what's the other dude? Stillwell, Shannon. They fucking beat the case, man. They got found not guilty. Okay, and there was a lot of evidence against him, especially Shannon Stillwell. He was damn near caught on camera mopping something. He was damn near caught on camera mopping something, returning something to the essence, right? On live camera. They followed him the whole time, watched the murder, right? And he got off. Shannon Stillwell. They had minimal to de minimis evidence against Young Thug. Okay, very small evidence, right? He would have definitely got found not guilty. Okay, to have him plead guilty to that charge, a life sentence, and now he has a much heavier sentence than Yak Gotti, much heavier sentence than Shannon Stillwell, and did them niggas got busy, right? Fuck Yak Gotti, he the one that was eating the chicken. No, he was eating fucking chicken in the fucking snitch room, uh 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 snitching while he eating fucking barbecue chicken. I don't fuck Yak Gotti. He's a dirty dude. Yak Gotti, he's a dirty dude. But I just want you to know, Shannon Stillwell was highly guilty of the crime, and he got found guilty. So Brian Steele, he didn't do such a great job. Okay, he should have advocated a little bit harder. That's the first thing. Second thing, or not, that's not the second thing. It's the fucking third thing. The third thing is that Brian Steele, he's known for practicing in the state. He has been to the highest state, highest level of legalese in the state of Georgia, the Peach State, right? The Peach State. He's been to the highest level of legalese in the state of Georgia. Okay, he's not known. I haven't seen anything that he has got any acquittals or not guilty or fought a federal case. Okay, he's a state attorney. Okay, there's a very big difference between fighting a state case in the state of Georgia, right, and a Fed case in the state of New York, Florida, and California, wherever that shit is traveling. The Eastern District and the Southern District of New York is the highest level of federal practice that you could be in. I don't think Brian Steele is ready for that. Brian Steele is not fucking ready for the federal government. He's not ready for the feds. Okay? That book that he's studying, okay, he got to study a whole nother set of doctrine of rules. Okay? Federal criminal rules of procedure. Okay? It's Title 28. Okay? United States Code annotated. It's serious. It's judiciary procedure. He got a lot of colors and statutes of law. He's not ready. Brian Steele is not fucking ready for the feds. Diddy is gonna make a real fucking big mistake if he hire this dude. Do not hire Brian Steele. He's not ready for the feds. I'm out of here, man. Fuck that.